To all who come to this happy place, welcome. Disneyland is your land. Here age relives fond memories of the past, and here youth may savor the challenge and promise of the future. Disneyland is dedicated to the ideals, the dreams, and the hard facts that have created America, with the hope that it will be a source of joy and inspiration to all the world. Thank you.
I've always admired those who just do it, and they conquered their fears. They fall back down and they keep getting up, and they try to steer clear. I'm afraid, I'll admit. What if I'm stuck in my mind? I'm not great, neither rich, but will you stay by my side? All the good times turn into memories, and the euphoria goes on. It's all the good times that I see.
Where are you? I'm okay. Come on.
Times turn into memories, and the revelry goes on.
Great job, everyone.
Best things can be done.
I don't have time for this. Destroy.
No, no. Looking back, I was once so brave, never hesitated. I aimed so high and I reached it all. Why do I keep fading? I'm afraid, I'll admit. What if I'm stuck in my mind? I'm not great, neither rich, but will you stay here by my side? All the good times turn into
Just came from Tower of Terror.
memories.
How was it?